So producers, rappers, and other people watching this video, I'm going to show you how to do the Nosgov effect. So yeah, so basically it's in two processes, his effect. Half of it is actually his singing style and the other half is his preset. And I believe I've sort of figured out his preset to enough extent that it just sort of sounds like Nosgov depending on how you sing. So I'll just go show you guys. Basically the first thing, auto-tune. Obviously for the style, everybody uses auto-tune. I was somehow, yeah, perfect singing, perfect pitch. So yeah, input type, you can use soprano or depending on your vocal range. So I encourage you guys to give that a Google just to see what vocal range or auto-tune gives the best effects. Reaching speed this high or this low, I don't know what you want to say. Chromatic, but you can use minor or major. So I just did chromatic and then said minor because the beat's G sharp minor. Okay, and now here's the source that you guys have been waiting for. So the throat, all the way, transpose up an octave. So an octave's 12 semitones. You can use less, but it's probably gonna sound weird. And then yeah, basically that's the auto-tune. And then cut the bass out. You use the compressor so that the volume sort of stays flat or to a certain degree. Add this. I mean, you don't have to, but it widens the vocal and sounds pretty nice. EQ, boost the high, multi-band, and this thing here, the distortion. What's basically happening with it is it's just boosting the highs and adds a bit of crisp. It's sort of like the EQ, but with more like distortion, I suppose. Delay, and so this delay is only working in this sort of frequency, so we're not getting the bass. Then I got another delay, I don't know why, but just the reverb to drain it out, flange it, so everybody uses it, and OTT. And basically with OTT, you can download it from their website for free. I think it's Extra, but it's built into Ableton also. And yeah, the other part of his vocal is his singing, and the way he sings is he sort of sticks his tongue out when he sings. So it's like, I said that's so crazy. Like if you get what I mean, it sort of sounds like I've got a lisp. So yeah, but you can sing any way you want. I just encourage you guys to at least try it. You can go la, 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 la. And it really sounds good with the auto-tune. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and be sure to like it, subscribe. I'll make some more tutorials because I mean there's not that much information out in the community.